Let me ask you a question. You think diet can affect your mental health? Well, my experience from 25 years of practice in medicine, I would say absolutely. There are also scientific studies that suggest this is true. Now, a recent study reported in the PLOS ONE, published in September, showed that a better diet was associated with less depression and anxiety in adolescents. A better diet was defined as more fruits and vegetables and less processed foods. This finding comes after the same team that did this study looked at other groups of people. Now, a previous study done on Norwegian adults showed again a link between a better quality diet and better mental health outcomes. Again, here a better diet was less processed food and junk food, like fast food and processed snacks. Several other studies have shown the same results. Now, Dr. Jacka, one of the researchers that was interviewed by Medscape, commented that these studies are highly consistent across the world, from Australia, UK, Japan, Spain, the United States, and now Norway. The size of the effect was very similar in all the studies, which lends credence to that this is likely a real effect. The effect was seen in males, females, young, old. Now, the researchers did say that eating natural foods can greatly reduce depression and anxiety, and this is extremely important from a public health perspective. And that's because depression and anxiety are two mental health problems that are truly out of control. And that's what I find in my practice. Now, the drug treatments for these conditions are usually ineffective, and they're often laden with side effects. It's good to see science back up what we know to be true, that we are what we eat. If we consume processed foods, it will not only increase most degenerative diseases like cancer, diabetes, obesity, arthritis, heart attacks, and strokes, but it will also leave us depressed and stressed out. For convenience and profits, our food has become unwholesome and will lead us down a path of poor mental and physical health. The more you eat real food, such as non-GMO fruits and vegetables and grains, animal products from animals raised on their natural diet on a traditional farm. Every day we should be consuming living raw foods that contain active enzymes, nutrients, and beneficial microorganisms. If we do this, then we're much more likely to have optimal health. If you'd like more information on how a natural foods diet can help your health, please click the subscribe button above. This is Dr. G. Thanks so much for watching.